Hey, thank you for joining us. This question, we're going to look at a question that requires mean and standard deviation. This time, where we're doing a normal distribution random variable. So let us go to the screen where I can draw. And this question says, butterflies of a particular species dies T days after hatching. Now, T is normally distributed with a mean of 120. So let me just draw like a normal distribution curve. And it's normally distribution at 120, go up 3 standard deviations and down 3 standard deviations, and we've got almost 100% off the curve. Now, it says if from the population of 2,000, if out of 2,000, 150 are expected to die in the first 90 days. Now, 90 days is somewhere, we just don't know where. 90 days here. Because we get, you've got this probability correct, about 7.5% is the area in here. 7.5%. What we need is the Z value. We need the Z value because we know the mean. We know the mean is 120. We just don't know what the standard deviation is. And there's a formula that said Z equals X minus mean over standard deviation. So what is this Z value? Okay, pick up your calculator. I'll walk you through this. I want you to go to your main menu, go interactive, go to distribution, and the one I want is inverse, INV, distribution, inverse, and then go to inverse, because we use inverse when we know the probability. And we know that the probability is 7.5, so we press final one is the inverse of a normal CDF, it's the first one. Okay, now you will get we want the left tail, so we press left. Our probability is 0.075, left, we put 0.075 for our probability. Our for our Z value, our standard deviation is 1, and our mean is a 0. That's these numbers here, 0, -1, -2, -3. So we want to find out what that Z value is for that black line at 90. We get that answer, we press OK. Oh, sorry, I forgot to put, I didn't fill it in. 0.075, I forgot to type 0.075, okay. Now we get a Z value of -1.4395, and that's this Z value here. Oh, it's actually too far. I did it further than -2. It's more like here. So we go -1.4395 equals X is 90. Our mean is 120, and our standard deviation we do not know. So the standard deviation is 90 take 120 is -30. Divide by -1.4395, and we get that answer. So -30 divided by and I get 20.84. And so our answer is about 21 days is our standard deviation. So each one of these is 21 days. So this is 141. This is 162. This one is 183. And that's where we get 90. Okay. I hope this has helped. This one, just remember, you need this formula here. You need to get that Z value from the calculator based on 7.5% to get the Z value. On the left-hand side, it will be a negative. All right. I hope this has helped. Until we talk again, stay happy.